Gampong in Harry. Gamit. Goes. Nakalusot. Bakit? Rodos the long pass. Big fires. Bakit? Stop. Inside pass out. Nakalusot. Assist. Easy to. The ball. He's at the top. Using the screen by Recodos. Deep 3. Bam! From welcome to Do or Die semi-final Ilocos Norte Da Vinci Cup 2024. And Gamit, bounce pass, Abriol kicks out, Agaran open for 3, off the mark, offensive rebound, Gampong fakes, clutch, fire off the window, bears blood, Gampong, Ramos, goes inside, pass inside, Agaran attacking the defense, pass inside, Liz, assist, bucket for 2. Abriol and Harry, goes in, pinala sa loob, fakes, assist, levers layup of the window, bucket. Recodos, at the top, pass to the middle, Ramos, inside, corner, fakes, Costo to Ramos, Ramos, kicks out, open for 3, good, rebound put back, Alunday, and his pass, Gamit, stop, open 2, using the slow hood, rebound, Gampong, picks, Gamit for the back, the rebound looking for receiver, pass inside, Abriol falling away, short, Recodos the long pass, and Costo picks, fires, bucket, 6-4, Ramos dribbling the ball, he's at the top, using the screen by Recodos, deep 3, BAM! From and assist, spins, pass, lays, no good, rebound, Alunday, Ramos, behind the back dribble, crossover, and again Ramos, attack to the baseline, to the middle, recover, pull up J, Recodos, won't go, and this Costo drives, and Pinoy step ace, yes sir! Gamit now, goes to the middle, he stopped, inside pass out, nakalusot, assist, easy to, Gampong in Harry, Gamit, straight to the host, nakalusot, bucket, 3-point lead, Ramos, kicks to the corner, Ramos, he pass, Recodos, corner 3, short, rebound, Pinili, Gamit again, 2-on-2, goes inside, lays, bucket, Ramos for setting the play, pass to Taroma, to Ramos goes to the middle, pass, inside pass, libre, tinap board, and pass, Agaran, deep 3, bam! Seconds, stolen, Agaran, inside lays, bucket, receive, pass to the middle, Recodos, Ramos to the corner, Taroma, bullseye, Abriol, to Abriol, the bounce pass, out Agaran for 3, bam! Guillermo, against Wasay, Guillermo stops, pass to Recodos, pass back, Guillermo to the corner, fakes, Costo, to Guillermo, fakes, oh! Grabe yan! Rebound, stolen, Naim, straight to the hoops, bucket and one! Guillermo inside pass, goal! Block! Backdoor inbound, timban na, Guillermo. And kicks out, Guillermo. And the pass, fires at 3, bam! Rando! Rebound, Banna, pass break, the long pass, Recodos, basket and 1! Guillermo 2, Fernando, open corner 3, oh, block! And it's Wasay, close to mid lane, attacks, dive for the ball, bodies on the floor, step back, Celon, oh, short, pass, oh, wide, bucket, what a find! And Wasay, stop, launches on 3, off the mark, rebound, Pinili, kicks out, Celon open for 3, bam! Nothing but... And here's Fernando to Guillermo, drives, goes inside, basket and 1! Pasay to Celon, open for 3, won the mark. And the pass break, Hernando stops, pass to Hernando picks, crossover, goes inside, he fires, bucket! Assist now, between the legs. And spins, goes inside, reverse layup, bucket, assist! Dun. Behind the back. And the pass. It's a long pass. Won't go. For the inbound, Baldugo. Open for 3. Pakubat. Bang! Pakubat. Behind the back dribble.
15-second shot clock.
And pass to Guillermo. Bounce pass. Fernando. Attacks to Guillermo. Stolen. All alone. Pakubat. Easy to Pakubat. And Guillermo, number 12, goes to the middle, attacks, inside pass, pull up J, won't go. Baldugo, bounce pass, Abriol, pass to Baldugo, pass to Abriol, Pakubat, attacks, inside pass, fires off the glass, Bautista with a finish, Guillermo, and the long pass, attacks, coach to coach, Guillermo, bucket! Abriol, the long pass, Baldugo na libre, easy to Baldugo. Guillermo, bounce pass, fires at 3, bang! Guillermo! To Ramos, almost stolen, and is stolen. Lain, lumipad, easy to nadali dun. And here's Guillermo, side step, oh! Inbound pass, picks, Ramos, he spins in Saul, ball stolen, and the pass, and Lain, lazy, easy to Costo, Ramos, ball stolen, Baldugo drives to the hoops, one go, oh! The putback shot! Ramos. He pass, Guillermo inside pass, pull up J, won't go. Lain, inside pass, oops, too strong. Costo, he stops, fires at 3, won't go, rebound. Alonday, my foul. And to the middle. And he dribble, he attacks. Lain, bounce pass. Ball is stolen. Ramos. Sumasayaw. Almost lost the handle. He pass. Here's Recodos. Pass back Ramos. Floater shot. Bucket! Bautista to the middle. Lain. Baldugo. Bautista for 3. No good. Rebound again. Baldugo. Step back. Stop. Pakubat floater. Won't go. Again. Put back. Bautista. Up. Ramos. Na-save the ball. And all alone. Lain. Easy to. And Agaran. Abriol to the wings. Number 7, Gamit. Stops to the free throw. Agaran, Gamit, crossover. Side step release. Bucket. Gamit, attacks. Kicks out. Fires at 3, Agaran. Bang! Agaran. Ramos. Goes to the screen. And another skin bounce pass inside. Ball is stolen. Gamit drives to the hoop. Slays bucket. Gamit. Abriol. Gamit. Pull up J. Bucket of the glass. And Ramos goes to the middle. Stops. Pass to the wings. Corner. Pull up J. Bullseye. Alunda. And the pass break. Oop. Lost the ball. Stolen. Alunday. And this is number 8. Cross pass. Ramos. Oh! Grabe, tumambling pa. Bang! Ramos pass fakes. Kicks out. Ramos.
15 second shot clock.
Ramos.
10 on the shot clock.
Oh! Rejected. That's good block. And a pass break. Wasay. Easy to Wasay. Goes to the screen. Pass to Recodos. Recodos. Pass. Badilla. Inside pass. Pull up Alunday. Won't go. Rebound put back. Recodos. Wasay. Against Ramos. No look pass inside Pigs. Badwa kicks out.
Pass to Gamit.
Gamit.
13 second shot clock. Last
Distansya. Goes to the corner. Pigs. Badwa pull up J short. And sits far inside. Fires off the glass. Bakit? Oh, tinuro pa. Oh. Wasay pass. Open long to Bullseye. Ramos crossover. Attacks the floater. Bullseye. Ramos. Baldugo attacks. Inside pass. Fires. Bakit? Badwa. And here's Ramos. Dives. Fires. Too strong. Rebound. Alunday back. Ramos, pass to the middle for 3. Bam! 3. Wasay. Attacks. Side step. Oh! Binawi. Go for the inbound. Pull up J. Badwa. Bucket. Ramos. Fires. Bucket. Ramos. And stolen. Oh! The Euro step lace. Bucket. And the pass. Baldugo to the middle. Side step. Oh, lace bucket. Nakalusot yun. And nakalusot. Lace bucket. To Guillermo. And natapikan. Natapikan. Ball is stolen. Bounce pass. Lumipad na. Pakubat. And attacks. Kicks out. Kicks to the middle. Lace, no good. Badwa. Lain. 2-3. Bam! Lain! Recodos. Inside pass. Lace, Guillermo. No good. Badwa. In hurry pass. Lace, Pakubat. Again. Pass for the inbound. Ball stolen again. Behind the back. And pass. And Recodos. Pass to the middle. Guillermo. Pass to the wings. Hernando attacks. Bump. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Hernando. And zigzagging. Goes to the middle. Inside pass. Celon. Another pass. Bucket. Bautista. Hernando picks. Stops. Corner, pull up J. Recodos won't go. Rebound put back. Guillermo. And stop, he pass. Paco Batalio pass. Bucket. The lap pass and attacks. Guillermo inside pass. Lace. Basket and 1. And Guillermo sumegway. He pass to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. And he stops. Long pass. Inside pass, Celon, easy, oh! Tips in, the save and the finish, Paco. Hook pass, Guillermo. Guillermo goes inside lace. And the pass, and stolen. Recodos. He pass. Guillermo corner picks. Into the middle, Recodos lace, bucket, Recodos. Basura, Recodos. Bounce pass, picks. Floater, nugget, and the pass break. Pakubat, lumipad, bucket, Paku for the inbound. And Baldugo. Abriol attacks, Pinoy step, floater, bullseye. Guillermo. And stops, picks to the middle, fires at 3, Recodos, short. Abriol. Pass inside, flies off the glass. Lain. Behind the back, crossover, sumigsag. Cross pass, Lain. Inside pass, Fakes fire clash of the glass, Bautista. Behind the back, ball is stolen. He pass, Baldo Golis, easy to. Baseball pass. Ricodos lays, easy to. He's going down. Abriol attacks. Inside pass, fires, bucket. Congratulations, Team Binili advance to final.